So sa video to guys, pag-uusapan natin tong Moxie Club. So nakita ko din na kapag nag-register ka sa Moxie Club, if ikaw yung, or tayo, yung first registrants, makakuha tayo ng exclusive NFT once na nag-launch si Moxie. So probably hindi mo kailangan ng pera upfront. Currently, right now, kailangan lang natin mag-register. And syempre yung mga qualified is kailangan nila i-complete yung KYC. So ito, i-discuss natin siya later on, pero ngayon, pag-usapan muna natin itong Moxie Club. Ano nga ba to? Okay, anong klase yung tokenomics nila? Ano yung ecosystem? Paano yung play to earn sa Moxie Club? So lahat yan itatakil natin today's video. Syempre, do not forget to follow me on my YouTube channel. This is Crypto Addict here guys, back again with another awesome update. So, start na tayo dito guys, okay? So, Moxie Club, so, if makita mo siya, meron silang ecosystem na play to earn. So dito, unique naman yung earning mechanism dito kasi makakuha ka ng certain amount of tokens if ikaw yung naka-achieve ng high score for the day. Tapos, ayun o, isa pang example is merong multiplayer combat game na ire-reward nila yung best performing team for winning the most team-based matches. So medyo competitive to, pero kagandahan nito, play to earn naman siya, 'di ba? So syempre yung top teams din sa tournament will have a rewards, 'di ba? Sliding scale rewards, meaning sa first place ganito yung reward, sa second place ganito yung reward, sa third place ganito yung reward, and so on and so forth. Tapos tawag doon community content driven games that can implement a voting system to reward top contributors. So, if contributor ka din dito sa project na to, you will get a reward in tokens din. Right? So, iba yung tawag doon, iba yung concept sa Moxie kasi proof of play yung ginagamit nila. So, medyo bago lang din to for me. So, ano nga ba yung proof of play? 'Di ba? So, proof of play pays daily rewards to Moxie Club members. So, nire-reward sa proof of play mechanism, nire-rewards nito yung mga taong nag-engage, loyal, and yung mga nagko-contribute dun sa ecosystem ni Moxie, 'di ba? So, syempre yung play to earn kasi doon, ang nire-reward dito is yung mga skilled players. So, yun yung gusto ko itawag doon, i-clarify sa Moxie. So, sa Moxie, hindi po pwede yung parang katulad sa Axie Infinity na basta mananalo ka. Dito, nire-reward nila yung mga skilled players. Alright? So, kagandahan naman nito is parang wala ka namang kailangan capital to start. 'Di ba? Kasi una-una, if makakakuha ka ng NFT, tulad ng sinabi ko dito sa pre-registration nila, 'di ba? Di mo na kailangan bumili ng NFT, right? So, lalaruin mo na lang and free to play na siya na lumalabas, right? So, isa pa dito is tawag doon, makakakuha ka rin ng MOX tokens if nagke-create ka ng content, ng NFTs, kumbaga, ito pa, total time of game, tapos naglalag ka sa games na may meaningful interaction. So medyo tawag doon panibago or makabago din yung gantong klaseng technology, right? Kasi I think if this one is really good, a lot of projects will adopt sa ganitong klaseng ecosystem din, I would say. Pero sa tagal kong nagpe-play to earn, medyo bago sa akin tong concept na to. So, of course, let's see kung paano nila gagawin to, 'di ba? So, may Moxie Vault din sila. So, ito is more likely staking for me kasi if makita mo, ito yung gain, linear appreciation. So, ito yung for staking nila. So, maximum APY gain is 10-year at 10% APY. So, if tama yung pagkakaintindi ko, in 10 years, doble yung pera mo. Right? Pero, syempre, hindi yun guaranteed na sa NFT tayo, cryptocurrency, very volatile. So, pero in terms of interest rates na tinatawag, APY, it's a lot more better than the banks, right? Sabi nga nila, it takes you 300 or 3,000 years para madoble yung pera mo sa bangko at the current interest rates. Pero right now, dito, if talaga magiging successful si Moxie, yung mga talagang successful naman na games, tumatagal yan ng dekada, guys eh. So, why not, right? 10% APY is not even bad, right? So, meron din silang Moxie Forge. So, Moxie Forge powers Moxie's D-App ecosystem and APY stack. So, this extensive set of proprietary D-Apps and APYs power all of Moxie Core's functions such as Proof of Play, Play to Earn, Moxie Vault, NFT Metaverse, and Moxie Club. So, ito is meron silang sariling APY stack dito na mag-e-enable na tawag doon na pwede kang mag-cross-chain. So, ibig sabihin from Binance to Solana, Binance to Ethereum, na para ibig sabihin makapasok din yung iba na nandito, right? And syempre ma-add nila, ma-enable nila yung mga ganitong klaseng features like Proof of Play and Play to Earn. So, ito yung core, 'di ba? Core ng nasa loob ng Moxie, I would say, right? So, ito yung mga Moxie launch. So, may mga games na magsasubmit for funding consideration in Moxie Club. So, ibig sabihin, may mga games na i-shortlist around Moxie. Tapos, syempre, yung mga mapipili doon, yung mga nagko-contribute, mayroon sila matatanggap na rewards in Mox tokens din. Right? So, probably yung rewards dito, since people will use it, is malaki din. Right? Malaki din. Okay? So, dito naman tayo, punta tayo sa tokenomics. So, there's only 1.5 billion initial token supply sa Moxie. So, ito yung excuse me, sorry. May flu pa kasi ako eh. So, ito yung pagkaka-divide. So, 17.5% sa token sale, 27.5% is sa ecosystem, 15% is on the team, 25% is on the foundation. Right? So, ito din yung token lock or token vesting na tinatawag. So, yung token sale is unlock na to pagka-release per token release schedule. Yung tokens ng team, which is 15%, is 1 year fully locked. So, linear vesting siya over 24 months. So, ibig sabihin, itong 15% pa-fully unlock lang after 24 months. So, ang computation ko dito, if that's 100 divided by 24, so 4% nung current token supply, itong current token allocation sa team, yung ma-unlock lang every month. Alright? So, meron din for Moxie Foundation. So, okay din to kasi very important na may pundasyon. And if titignan mo yung ecosystem and foundation, lagpas 50%. So, goods yan. At least malaki yung perang nakatago para talaga dun sa sustainability and talaga ma-sure na nandun sa loob yung pera. Hindi yan tawag doon, ma-ensure na yung development ng Moxie is talaga maging tuloy-tuloy. Alright? So, meron din sila for advisors. Siyempre, binabayaran din ng advisors. Hindi libre yung knowledge dyan. And meron din sila for treasury. So, punta tayo sa team. So, itong team nila, nakita ko, is Dux siya. Right? So, mamaya na yung roadmap team muna tayo. So, ayan si Nolan Bushnell is the CKO. Okay? Chief Knowledge Officer of Moxie. So, ito yung chairman, si Stewart Bell, si Lawrence Siegel, si Matt Defoe. So, nakakapagtaka nga kasi for me, medyo parang nakukulangan ako sa nilalabas nilang information. Pero ganito kalaki yung team. So, I guess, if talaga magtuloy-tuloy, magiging okay naman siya. Kasi, una-una, at least to different naman yung set of team, hindi naman to Vietnamese. So, di ko naman sinasabing scam yung Vietnamese, pero okay din yung make competition sa iba't ibang countries. Right? So, meron silang advisor. Siguro, it's going to help if i-emphasize nila kung sino yung, ayun, tulad ng sinabi ko, naka-emphasize kung sino nga ba ito, 'di ba? Ano yung background ng bawat tao na nandito. Pero ayun, ito si Gear Games naman siya. So I think it's a lot more better if makakasama din nila dito, if meron, is yung mga talagang blockchain gamers, right? So ito kasi more likely game developers, pero okay din sana if meron silang someone na nag-develop na before ng blockchain games, para ibig sabihin hindi kayo gulat pagdating sa coding or sa development, 'di ba? So, yun lang naman yung isang suggestion if nakikita niyo to Moxie team, or probably you can correct me in the comment section. Pero tingnan natin, ito yung roadmap or timeline na tinatawag. So, ayun, nakaka-start lang ng registration ng Moxie Club. So, public token sale is on January 2022. And February 2022 yung Moxie Forge development. So, ibig sabihin, development ng apps nila, ng games nila, will start on February and beyond. So, ito, isang game nila, which is Battle Rise, will be available to play na din sa February. So, in play to earn nila is usually February, okay na. Right? So, sa February din, yung mga Moxie Club members makaka-receive na exclusive Moxie NFT. So, yung mga proof of play, yung ibang mga klaseng games will be launching talaga over the course of 2022. Sorry guys, talagang naubo akong right now. Pero at least if yung nakita ko right now, may plan na right? So, ila-launch na lang to. So, medyo malaki-laki tong ecosystem na to. And in terms of private sale naman, or public sale rather, okay din siya kasi if you're looking to find a play-to-earn game na tawag doon, maganda yung pagkakagawa, yung play-to-earn na tawag doon, pinag-isipan, play-to-earn talaga na ganito, I think okay naman siya to hold, 'di ba? Yung mga MOX tokens na to. So okay na okay din siya. Malay mo maging AXS din siya, right? So maraming possible, kaya it's very important na hindi tayo tumitigil sa pagtitingin ng bawat games, 'di ba? Sa bawat projects like this. So meron din silang white paper if may gusto kang malaman. So nakita ko na to before, pero it's just explain kung ano yung makita mo sa website. So andito lahat ng deflationary, yung burning mechanism, yung Moxie Club, ina-explain nila, yung token allocation, yung team, lahat nandito rin sa white paper, right? So, I guess sana may natutunan kayo dito. And syempre, bago tayo matapos sa video na to, explain natin, okay? Register tayo para maka-join tayo sa Moxie Club for free. So, tulad ko, gagawa ko. So, crypto addict. So, syempre, bakit hindi, di ba? Bakit hindi tayo gagawa? So, age ko is 22, syempre, male. And I'm from Philippines. So, lagay ko na din yung email ko. Huwag nyo akong tatawagan, mga hayop kayo. So, reserve our spot lang tayo. So, ganito lang kadaling mag-reserve ng spot sa Moxie. So, syempre, kailangan ng CAPTCHA para ma-ensure na hindi talaga botted yung gumawa. So, yan, nakalagay dito, thank you for signing up for Moxie Club. You will receive an email with everything you need to know. Welcome to the club. So, ikaw, if, tawag doon, if qualified ka, alright, saglit lang, lalagay ko lang dito sa kabila kasi ililipat ko. Tawag doon, makaka-receive ka ng additional email via February 2022. So, ayan na guys So, yan, na-receive ko na yung email. So, syempre, registered for Moxie Club tayo. Only the first 10,000 members registered are guaranteed to receive an NFT when Moxie token launches. However, meron din silang NFT promotion for club members 10,000 to 999. So, pwede ka pa rin makakuha ng NFT. If hindi ka dito sa 10,000, makakuha pa rin ng NFT from 10,001 to 999. Pero, I guess, dito sa 10,000, medyo mas rare to right? So, verify natin yung email natin. So, okay na. Email is verified. Right? So, after nyan, in order to participate in the NFT promotion, and public pre-sale, kailangan i-complete mo yung KYC. So, yung KYC will come soon din yan. So, abangan nyo na lang sa email nyo. Diba? So, pero, that's pretty much it, guys. So, ito na, meron na tayo, nakapasok na tayo sa Play to Earn. Libre lang, diba? So, currently, libre siya. So, ayan, yung pre-sale will open 48 hours prior to IDO. Alright? So, ngayon, punta naman tayo sa Moxie na official. So, medyo bago din to. Medyo hindi pa ganun kasikat yung Telegram. Pero okay naman kasi una-una, if ito yung members na nasa loob, right? If ito yung members na nasa loob, 1,000 members. So, 10,000 yung requirement, right? So, pasok kagad tayo dito. Diba? Paano pag dinamihan nila yung marketing? Paano kapag dinamihan nila? Pag ginawa nila lahat ng pwede nilang gawin and also ma-establish na nila to. Kasi hindi naman din biro yung team behind this Moxie. So, syempre, hindi po ito sponsored content. Lilinawin ko lang kayo. Baka na naman kasi may mag-reply na, baka sponsored yan. Hindi po. Ako, nagre-research lang ako. Pinapakita sa akin ng mga friends ko, ano kaya, maganda ba to? So, nakita ko maganda. Gagawa natin ng content. So, yun lang for today's video, guys. I hope nagustuhan nyo tong content na to. Do not forget to follow me on my YouTube channel. This is Crypto Addict here. Back again with another awesome update. And see you on the next video.